Welcome, my dear students. Today we shall solve chapter 20 of class 5, and the name of the chapter is Dadichi. Today we are going to solve exercise work of Dadichi. Let's start from question number 1. Question number 1 is answer these questions. A. Who created problem for other disciples? Answer. Dadichi created problem for other disciples. B. Where did Dadichi go for meditation? Answer is Dadichi went to Naimisaranya for meditation. C. Why did Indradev go to Lord Brahma? Answer is Indradev went to Lord Brahma for getting help. D. Who was Britrasur? Answer is Britrasur was the demon king. E. What did Dadichi do to save the heaven? Answer is Dadichi gave his bones to save the heaven. F. Who is called Devraj? Answer is Lord Indra is called Devraj. Question number 2. Who said to whom? Let's start from question number A. Statement is given, who said and to whom. I have no control over myself. Dadichi said to Gurudev. B. Use your strength to help others. Gurudev said to Dadichi. C. He is misusing the power given by Lord Shiva. Brahmadev said to Devraj Indra. D. I shall go to request Dadichi. Devraj Indra said to Brahmadev. E. Welcome Devraj. Dadichi said to Devraj Indra. F. I need your bones to make Vajra. Devraj Indra said to Dadichi. And G. I close my eyes forever. Dadichi said to Devraj Indra. Question number 3. Write yes or no. We should see the questions. A. Dadichi was mischievous in childhood. Yes, it is right. B. Strength should be used to vex others. No. Strength should be used to help others, not to vex others. C. Britrasur was the demon king. Yes. Lord Shiv had blessed Britrasur. Yes. Lord Brahma did not help Indradev. No. Lord Brahma helped Indradev. F. Lord Indra made Dadichi in Naimisaranya. Yes. And G. Lord Indra gave his bones to make Vajra. No. Sage Dadichi gave his bones to make Vajra. Next question. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words. 2 words are given at the end of all sentences and pronunciation of both words are same. You have to choose right one to fill the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A. Did he dash your proposal? It will be accept. ACCEPT. Did he accept your proposal? B. The Hindus worship the dash of God. Answer is idol. IDOL. The Hindus worship the idol of God. C. The snake lives in a dash. Answer is hole. HOLE. The snake lives in a hole. D. They want to dash name and fame. Answer is earn. EARN. They want to earn name and fame. E. Keep dash in the classroom. Answer is quiet. Quiet. Keep quiet in the classroom. The dash can run fast. Answer is hare, Hare. The hare can run fast. G. The ships dash across the sea. Answer is sail, Sail. The ships sail across the sea. Now we should come to next question. That is question number 5. Match the words with their meaning. Words are giving and meanings are also given here, and now you can see word and their meaning. Mischief means misconduct. Create means produce. Strength means physical power. Control means to check. Misuse means to use badly. Effect means result, and remember means to recollect. Question number 6. Fill in the blanks with that, which, those, who. One thing I want to tell you, that where you can use which, there you can also use that, and where you can use that place you can also use which. A. The pen dash I gave you is red. Answer is that. The pen that I gave you is red. Yeah, the pen which I gave you is red. The answer dash she gave was wrong. Here will be that. The answer that she gave was wrong, which is also right here. I know the man dash child has lost. Answer is whose. I know the man whose child has lost. D. You saw the woman dash had curly hair. Answer is who. You saw the woman who had curly hair. E. I dislike the children dash are naughty. Answer is who. I dislike the children who are naughty. F. She is the girl dash father is a doctor. Answer is whose. She is the girl whose father is a doctor. Now next question. This is the book that dash you bought yesterday. Answer is which. Answer is also that. This is the book which you bought yesterday. H. Give me the pen dash is on the table. Answer is which. Give me the pen which is on the table. You can also use that here. I. Show me the toy dash you have brought. Answer is that. You can also use which. Show him the toy that you have brought. J. Rakesh is the man dash has long beard. Answer is who. Rakesh is the man who has long beard. And now question number 7. Make sentences from the given box. Box is given. In one column there, in second column is, are, was, were. In third column a boy, a girl, a king, 2 boys, 3 girls, many kings, a temple, some temples. And now answer is ready for you. There is a boy, there is a girl, there is a king, there is a temple. There was a boy, there was a girl, there was a king, there was a temple. There are 2 boys, there are 3 girls, there are many kings, there are some temples, there were 2 boys, there were 3 girls, there were many kings, there were some temples. Each is used for singular and are is used for plural. In the same way, was is used for singular and where is used for plural. There follows both singular and plural. According to subject, we use singular or plural. So here sentences are ready for you. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.